Each of these 4% numbers is a trade win, and as we scroll down, you're going to see higher and higher numbers right here, 6%, 10%, 7%, tons and tons of trade opportunities for you. And the last three trades that were called out are going to win for 10%, 12%, and 15% respectively. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Happy Bitcoin ETF decision date. Within the next few hours, the SEC will make a historic decision on whether or not to approve the Bitcoin Spot ETF. Now, a lot has happened in this market since we last talked, and we need to go over some really important things, including false tweets from the government, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and a lot more. You do not want to miss this video. If your money is in Bitcoin right now, this is the video to be watching. Let's get started. To start off, I'm going to take you over to the TradeConfident.io homepage. We're going to head up to trade setups, because as of today, we are 120 wins, 0 losses with 9 active trades for you to join right now. If we head to the view performance record link, you are going to see a whole bunch of green cells here. Each of these 4% numbers is a trade win, and as we scroll down, you're going to see higher and higher numbers right here, 6%, 10%, 7%, tons and tons of trade opportunities for you. And the last three trades that were called out are going to win for 10%, 12%, and 15% respectively. You do not want to miss out on these trades. And once all of these win, we'll be at 129 wins. Now, on top of those trades, you're going to want to watch our future forecast videos. The last one was released January 9th. And it's going to be talking about the Bitcoin approval and what will happen if the US dollar collapses. This is going to be a crucial video you're going to want to watch, and it's going to go over how to make the most USD in this coming bull market, how to do that with allocations into different assets and at different times. This is time-sensitive data, and as a heads up, Travis just added $20,000 more dollars into his Coinbase account for trading for a total $70,000 that he's going to be talking about in future videos. So you're going to want to sign up for our membership in order to catch the next future forecast video on Friday, in order to see what he's doing with that money. With that, let's head into the news. Bloomberg claims all 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs will be approved today. As the final deadline for the SEC's decision on spot Bitcoin ETF applications arrives, the crypto community finds itself in a state of both excitement and chaos. This follows the dissemination of a fake news report on Tuesday, falsely claiming the approval of these applications. However, experts now suggest that the long-awaited approval is indeed imminent, potentially marking a pivotal moment not only for the Bitcoin market, but for the entire cryptocurrency industry. According to the renowned Bloomberg ETF expert, Eric Bolkanis, this day can be celebrated as ETF approval day with confidence, as it appears that all systems are ready for the green light. In fact, Bolkanis anticipates that former approvals will likely be announced around 4 to 6 p.m. today, with the actual trading of ETFs commencing on Thursday. Bloomberg is fully prepared with DES, or Data Exploration System, pages already being set up to provide comprehensive coverage. Now, the impact of the ETF approvals is expected to extend beyond just the Bitcoin market. It could catalyze increased adoption and legitimacy of cryptocurrencies as a whole, attracting more investors and potentially reshaping the future of the crypto industry. Now, over the past couple of weeks, as we've been covering the Bitcoin ETF, we've seen a lot of conflicting news, a lot of analysts' opinions and all that. But I gotta say, I do trust Bloomberg. I agree with them that I think at least the ARC21 Bitcoin ETF will be released today, if not all of them, and we should begin trading tomorrow, January 11th. Now, there's the news. Let's talk about what happens once an ETF is actually released for the first time. Right now, we're looking at the charts for the first ever release of a gold ETF. This happened on November 18th of 2004, and I know the markets are looking different now. I know we're in a very different situation, but honestly, not that different. Gold saw a peak in major bear market before slowly recovering up. This is exactly what we've seen with Bitcoin. And after the release of the ETF, we saw a move up in price for 15 days. After that, we saw an extended bear market, another 9.5 weeks of dropping before we slowly recovered over the period of nearly a year. Now, cryptocurrency as an asset moves much, much faster. As we could see here, we saw significant moves up after an extended bear market up to the point where we're at right now, recently testing resistance at $48,240. And as the price sits, we're actively testing support at $45,925. At this point, we see price versus money flow low, but trades in favor is in the middle of its chart with a 67% chance of a drop. These are mixed signals, especially when combined with a sell signal, which I do feel is going to be invalidated if the SEC approves the Bitcoin ETF. There are times where fundamentals in the market are going to invalidate sell signals, especially moving into the bull market, so this is something we need to be aware of. If the ETF is approved, I think we're going to touch at least $48,240. But I think we could very easily break and reach all the way up here to $52,100 over the period of up to about 2 weeks before we begin moving back to the downside again. This would follow the pattern of the gold ETF release, and as we drop down, I would expect to see drops as far down as $38,000, but I think that is going to be the bottom. And of course, as we get closer and closer to that point, this is going to take weeks, even a couple of months to play out. As we approach that next bottom, we will keep everyone updated and adjust targets as necessary. Now, from the current price, a move up to 52,000 is going to be about a 12% move, 12.5% to be exact. And upon the drop, I think this is going to be a move down of about 27.52%. If we head to the 1 week time frame, I want to show you how we're actually going to catch the bottom. Now, the reason we're going to be doing this on the weekly is because it is a much larger scale. We see both price versus money flow and trades in favor are severely overbought, which most often will result in moves down. But once again, I think we are going to see pumps up to about 52,000. And at that point, if we get a sell signal, that's the official point I'll be looking for the move down. As the price drops, what I'm going to be looking for is for price versus money flow and trades in favor to be low and a buy signal. If we get all three of those, that's where we're looking for the next move up. Buy signal, price versus money flow low, trades in favor low, move up. Very consistent. And for the opposite, looking for that absolute top. Price versus money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal down. Price versus money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal down. Price versus money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal, move down. Easy as that. These indicators are crazy reliable, especially on the 1 week time frame. And that's why when looking for larger macro moves in the market, we are sticking to the 1 week. Day to day, if you're going to try and trade the volatility of this, we really like the 1 day time frame too. Same thing goes. We're just looking for price versus money flow low and trades in favor low, with ideally a buy signal to catch the bottom before the next move up. And in order to catch the top, we're looking for price versus money flow high and trades in favor high for the absolute top to move down. Now, if we get confluence between both the 1 day and the 1 week, that would be an especially strong signal. So as the price moves up, look for another sell signal, look for price versus money flow high, look for trades in favor high. If we get all three of those combined with the similar signals that we already have on the 1 week, that should be the absolute top before the next move down. And as this plays out, you need to be paying very close attention to these indicators. I just proved to you why it is crucial, and we use these indicators every single day, and those, along with our risk management strategy available with our membership, are what have helped us earn 120 wins with 0 losses in our trades. You're going to want to get access to these as soon as possible. The market is about to get insanely volatile with the announcement. Even if there is a rejection, we are expecting moves to the downside. Now, I can help you get these indicators for up to $550 off. Check this out, but do it quick. Links are in the description down below. Scroll down and hear me out here, but you're going to want to snag the membership first because members get significant discounts on our indicators. In fact, it's cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Plus, you're going to get crazy money-making benefits like future forecasts, access to all our trade setups, live Zoom coaching every month, metrics across 20 coins on our website, and more. All you're going to do is click subscribe now and follow the prompts. And once you have your membership, you're going to head to the indicator link. That's the second one. Click that. Scroll down. Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for. Access the member coupon code at that link. Once you have your membership, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down. Click I want this, throw in that membership coupon code, fill in your information, click pay. It's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I'm so excited to trade with you on this historic day. I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the news as we await the Bitcoin ETF decision.